นิทน่ะ
No, pobrecito. No, pero sí.
The doctor said this neck thing is good, but it's been nothing but trouble for me. I think these cats need a GPS mounted on this bookshelf. They keep missing the landing spot. No matter what others say, you're still the most beautiful version of yourself. Ever been in that situation where you're exhausted, but your girlfriend still wants to party? You copy me one more time, I will never let you pet me.
On this planet.
Every time you think, maybe my cat's only this dumb, you'll regret it. He's even dumber.
Blood. Teeth like razors to suck the meat from your bone. Yes, when all is said and done.
Some folks look cuter when they're mad. That's why they get teased a lot.
投降。
To kickstart this fluffy machine, you need muscle, not electricity. Cats. They keep surprising me with their genius for finding new uses for modern items. As children, we often crave being an adult.
你要进去是吧？
But when you really grow up, it's not that easy.
你今天要มาตั้งไหนวะเนี่ยดูคนอยู่นานคาไม่ละดูเกินไปไหมมันจะขยันเกินไปลูกโอ้
He just needs this fish tank, and he'll be happy all summer. This gourmet kitty might start demanding a Michelin star for his meals now. They say, fall 7 times, stand up 8. And this kitten lives by that motto.
Nope.
On the counter.
No. No.
Instead of mouse catching, this guy must have snuck off to acting class and aced it.
No.
If you're into a Scorpio guy, your reaction might be like this cat's.
哎，哈哈哈哈！还好咱躲得快。哈哈哈哈！哦，
整点像，我操！
Little guy aims for smart villains, but fate wants him as the fool. My girl's always whining about having nothing to wear while doing this, even though her closet's already packed. Golden rule: don't jump into motherhood too early, especially in your rebellious years. Wow, it must be a 5-star meal. Hey, can I try it? Do you want to bet there's a line of folks waiting for his massage? Now you see why many owners only post their cat's face, not their full body, right? He's the kind of guy who keeps his girl faithful just by being himself.
Did you find what you were looking for? That.
Someone please tell this kitten that teaming up with your tail is much more fun than fighting it. Why did God make a copy of me? I'm unique. No need for duplicates. Raising cats is actually like a test of patience with their messy antics. Just want to say, your dreams may be high, but gravity is higher. That's it. Thanks for tuning in.